I started as a mobile nail tech back in 2013 after completing some very short courses. Although I did have the experience, I was after some more structured training and a recognised qualification, which is what led me to completing the apprenticeship. I completed the level 3 nail technician apprenticeship through the salon, which I do now manage. This gave me more hands-on training without taking time away from the clients. It also gave me a chance to improve my techniques, improve my knowledge and just feel more confident in my work. Throughout my apprenticeship, I've received great support from Kerry, shout out to Kerry, throughout the training and assessment process. Having her by my side for guidance, feedback and just someone to check my work helped me stay on track and build confidence. That support made a big difference, especially someone who's self-employed and doesn't have that person to usually go to. Even if you have been in the industry for years, an apprenticeship's really valuable, even later on in life. Product standards and knowledge do change quite often, so it definitely kept my work standards high and up to date really. Longer term, it's also opened doors for me to go into teaching and supporting apprentices in the future, which I would love to do.